We have seen how valency and atomic size are studied as trends in the modern periodic table. Now we need to have a look at another interesting trend in our list. Let's consider the metallic and the non-metallic characters. By now, we are all well aware of the fact that the modern periodic table has metals placed on the left, non-metals on the right, and the metalloids occupy the nearby central region of the table. But have you thought about why such a trend is seen? Let's discuss this with the same examples of halogens for groups and the elements in the third period. Let us talk about the groups first. As discussed in the previous concept of valency, metals tend to lose electrons easily. Because it's easier to lose electrons when they are very few in number rather than accepting more number of electrons. Also, the atomic size increases as we go down. Thus, the force of attraction from the nucleus for the valence electrons decreases. Hence, the elements show a tendency to lose electrons easily. So, can we say that the metallic character increases as we go down the group? Yes. When we take a look at the top, fluorine, chlorine show better non-metallic properties, whereas when we move down, the metallic characters increase. Now let's check the case of periods as well. In this, elements towards left are those having less number of valence electrons. So will they lose electrons easily? Yes, hence they present metallic characters. As we move towards the right, the number of valence electrons increases. So the capacity to lose electrons will also decrease. When electrons are more in number, then losing them becomes difficult. The tendency to gain electrons increases as it's comparatively easier. Also, the valence shell now has more electrons and hence the nucleus applies more force of attraction. As a result, the tendency to lose electrons further weakens, which is why we can say that these elements show non-metallic characters. Let us draw a simplified table for understanding what we just learned. The metallic character increases as we go from top to bottom in a group. In other words, non-metallic character decreases as we travel down the group. On the other hand, metallic character decreases as we go from left to right in a period. And what about the non-metallic character? Yes, non-metallic character increases as we move from the left to the right across the period. This was all about a few important trends found in the modern periodic table. We have previously taken a look at valency, atomic size, and now the metallic and the non-metallic characters of elements. Knowing them helps us study the elements better.